When we look at the comparison of All-on-4 implant-supported teeth versus traditional dentures, we see many differences. First of all, somebody who's got an implant-supported smile is going to be much more confident because the bridge is not going to be moving like you see with a denture. Many people that have dentures always have the fear that the denture will fall out at some time. Also, when chewing the food, people aren't able to digest their food properly if they're not able to break the food down. And with dentures, this is a big problem. With implant-supported teeth or All-on-4, patients can actually chew the teeth normally and they have healthy digestion. And so this helps prevent any type of problems digesting their foods in the future. When we look at the pictures, the differences of an All-on-4 bridge compared to a full denture, the All-on-4 bridge is probably 1/5 the size of a full denture. Especially for patients that are gaggers, a denture will create many issues and many problems. Not only will it cause problems, but one will find that they can't taste their foods very well, and they might even lisp when they speak. If you have any questions, please feel free to call for a complimentary consultation, and at that consultation you actually get to speak with me, Dr. Nazarian. I'm here to help you.